Hi Mustangs, it's Miss Garcia here. I wanted to share with you how you can read books online using any device like a phone, your mom's phone, iPad, laptop, tablet, anything that has connection to internet, you can read books online. So first you're going to log into Launchpad. So over on our neisd.net webpage, you're going to click on Launchpad, and this is where you're going to log in with your username and password from school, or you can use your quick card, your little QR code if you are in the younger grades. You're going to find the library resources folder, the one with the tree, and click on that. And then you're going to find the little rocket guy. So it's called Sora eBooks. Click on that. Once you click on that, that's going to log you in. And I'm going to log in with my district, Northeast. While it's loading. While it's loading, I'm going to be thinking about the different kinds of books that I like to read. Okay, so I have some books in my shelf already. These are the 4 books that I have checked out. You can check out a total of 5. So I can go to my shelf and see, these are the books that I have. I love Peter Reynolds. This book was just kind of funny to me. I'm actually going to return this book because I've already read it. So I just clicked on the options and then return. And click return, and it's going to go back. So now I have 3 books checked out to me, and I can get 2 more books. I'm going to go to the Explore page where there's already collections of books for me. So here are some sweet reads for the summertime. You'll notice that some of them have headphones and some of them do not. If they have headphones, that means they're audiobooks and they will be read to you. If they do not, that means it's just like a book online. We have the entire Harry Potter series. So this is a fun collection because these are books that are always going to be available. So there's over 90 books here. And I can always borrow these books. So there's Diary of a Wimpy Kid, El Defo, I know that you guys like. There are also how to draw books. There's several of those. You'll notice some that are audiobooks so you can listen to them being read to you. So these are going to always be available. I know I can come here and find a book. I'm going to go back to the Explore page and keep looking. Here are the 2x2 books that I like to read to kinder through second, but that doesn't mean that third through fifth can't look at them. You guys might recognize if I keep going down, here are the Bluebonnet books. So if you did not get to read a certain Bluebonnet book, they're here for you. Or I can go up and search for a book. So for example, like Dog. Here, I'll notice that I'm on the wait list for this book. This one I can place a hold, but this one I can borrow it right now. So if I click borrow, it's going to open it up right in my browser. And I can click over on the right side or the left side. And it's going to look just like a book, except it's on my computer. And I can read through it, say I finished, because I know some of you really want to check out this book. So when I'm finished reading, let's say that I went ahead and finished, I kind of just click down on my screen and I'm going to click close the book. And I'm actually going to return it so that way it's available for one of you to check out. Another popular thing, let me see, go back to Explore, is Dr. Seuss. Let's see what they've got available for us. Ooh, Green Eggs and Ham, love that book. Love Cat in the Hat, that's available for borrow. Look, this one says read and listen, so this one's going to read it to you. And I can just keep looking for books and read them online. So I hope that this was helpful for you. I hope that you will check out some of our books online. And I will see you soon. Bye.